Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go with another orb video from my place to you on YouTube. These orbs that are coming through right now, they usually start when I get it in bed the first time, and they'll usually last about 5-10 minutes. I have noticed that after a while they'll dissipate, but they're not dust, no matter what people tell you, no matter what kind of religious voodoos you have, or what kind of disinformers trying to tell you that orbs don't exist. They're liars. There's no truth in them. So don't believe what they tell you. These orbs will come through the room at certain times, and they will actually go from one place to another. Usually they'll flow in one direction. Sometimes they'll cross in front of each other, and sometimes they'll stop and just sit there and look at you. But most of the time they'll flow through one side of the room to the other, and that's natural for them. It's just something that they do. You will see that some of them will stop, and some of them will circle around, and some of them will come from the top, and some will come from the bottom. But it's just a lot of orbs. It has nothing to do with dust. It has nothing to do with some foreign particulate. You cannot actually put a out of focus blister in a room that's already in focus, so you know it's not dust. So watch the orbs and enjoy.